let's just click on these labels. With this, what you can do is show marked labeled. Okay, then you want to change the text. You need to change the text into charges only. Apply OK. So now if you can see, it got changed to charges. Then alignment needs to be where you want to exactly align it. It's automatic. Okay, highlighted, and that's it. These are the changes you can do in all these points at this instant, right? Number of records. So now you cannot see uh, the other variable. I mean, now the variable will come with the charges. Now let's go to this point, and when you go to this and you click on this, you can again write a new text stating the number of records only, right? Apply OK. Now see what happened. These numbers got changed. Previously it was numbers. Now when you changed the text, it got changed. So it's not the way I wrote, it's used, right? To use these points, what we can do is, these are charges, right? Amount collected. These are records. These are visities. So what we can do is, we can just go back to here. We can write AMT, apply and OK. Now you can see a amount of this, right? So this is how it needs to be labeled out. So for this, what we can do is, when we go over here and we select this, these are visities, apply OK. Visities, sorry, there's a spelling mistake. Visitors, apply OK. Yes, so there are 434 visitors, 47 visitors, etc, 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 right? So this is one of the way to showcase your graph. Let's go back, right? On now this point, now we know that this is a number, right? So when we go on, let's just put something that is charges on details. Anything happened? No. Right, so what we can do is, when we click on this, we can actually edit the values of it. Not only this, we can also edit the values of the x's as well. So you just need to click on edit x's, then you can go on and select whatever things you want. You can go for fixed rows from, let's say, 500 to 20,000. Okay, or what we can say is 10 to 20,000. And right, axis name, you can change the axis name as well. This would be, instead of charges, it can be amount and when you select it from your fixed 0 to 25,000 and done. So now you can see this thing got increased to 25,000. Your axis, this axis is not at all increased because we have done changes to this axis only. Now let's go with this axis, edit axis, fixed value, we take 1000 and we change this name to record. Oh, my mistake, sorry. Record, fixed value 1000. See, the scale went till 1000. Now let's just check out this axis, this complete axis. Now one more thing, yes, we have learned around rotating the variables. See, you can just rotate your variables as well if names are very high in writing. Okay, let's just rotate variables again. Fine. So these are a few of the things which we need to understand how these things work. Now, what is this measure value? Let's just drop the same thing on charges. So now the major values comes from charges and number of records. For all no, we need to check out for this number of records. We go with the number of records for both the stuffs. Now let's move forward and understand other types of graphs and other types of stuffs which can be utilized. You can see this, right? It's good. It gives you the description of cards, usages, bus station usages, A, B, C, D with tickets, A, B, C, D with tickets, A, B, C, D, E. Right? You can just expand the same stuff. I mean, if you look in big one, you will understand other points as well. Okay? Now, ticket type, start journey, invoice number. Okay. Now, these are the few graphs. You can go with this as well if you understand these points. You can go with heat map stating all the invoices, etc. You just need to remove invoice and you get this point, right? At station A, usages of tickets, ticket, card, etc. And all the legend is over here. Yes, and the usage of cards and tickets in this manner. This is the table manner. This is again a table manner. This is a little colored table with the values ranging from lowest to highest. Now, if you want the same graph, so we were using graph, right? This is the stack bar for ticket and card. Now, if we want this particular thing into tabular format, okay, we can just select, we can go to worksheet, right? We can duplicate as cross tab. When you go over here, you will get all the values. This is one of the way it created a duplicate sheet of sheet 2 and we'll get this.